Known as the cradle of Cantonese culture, Foshan hums softly with the stories of centuries. Ancient streets wind between temples, workshops, and markets. Here, martial arts legends, master craftsmen, and ceramic artisans have left their marks. From the Lingnan Tiandi, Old Town, to the towering skyscrapers. From quiet temples to bustling streets, Foshan balances history and modernity with gentle grace. It is the birthplace of Wing Chun, the martial arts style carried forward by Bruce Lee's lineage, a symbol of strength, balance, and enduring spirit. Welcome to Foshan, a city of courage, creativity, and culture. Let us wander together, slowly, and explore its landscapes, people, economy, architecture, and future in this journey. Nestled in southern Guangdong Province, Foshan lies near the Pearl River Delta, its flat plains giving way to rivers, canals, and gentle hills. The subtropical climate bathes the city in warmth, soft rains nourishing the land and the people. Rivers trace through neighborhoods like silver threads, reflecting sunlight on ceramic rooftops. It is said that centuries ago, a wandering monk discovered these waters and whispered to the villagers of peace, prosperity, and skill. Was it myth or a hidden truth? Perhaps the answer waits in the quiet courtyards or under the shade of ancient banyan trees. You can share your thoughts in the comments below. Landmarks like the Ancestral Temple, Nandfeng Kiln, and Shiwan Ceramics Village capture the soul of the city, where every corner seems to hum a story. Foshan streets wake slowly, the aroma of tea and fresh dumplings drifting through morning mist. Cantonese is spoken with warmth and melody, while Hakka and other dialects ripple through communities. In small workshops, hands shape clay into beautiful ceramics, crafting vessels, figurines, and tiles that carry generations of knowledge. Elderly residents sip tea, exchanging stories as bamboo fans sway gently. Life here is both industrious and calm, a rhythm shaped by tradition, yet moving quietly alongside modern ambitions. If you enjoy wandering these stories, remember to like, subscribe, and comment to keep exploring together. Even in a city so steeped in culture, progress flows steadily. Foshan has long been a center for manufacturing, ceramics, and martial arts schools. Workshops evolve into factories. Factories evolve into innovation centers. Compared to nearby Guangzhou or Shenzhen, Foshan moves more quietly. But its impact is felt in the ceramics shipped worldwide. In martial arts schools training new generations, in modern enterprises blending tradition with technology. It is a city where past and future meet gently, where industry hums softly beneath the shade of ancient trees. Architecture in Foshan reflects its soul. Traditional Lingnan courtyards sit beside modern buildings. Bridges arch gracefully over canals, and the streets flow with both bicycles and quiet traffic. Modernity does not overwhelm. It leans into history instead. Walk along the riverbanks, and you feel the pulse of a city balancing calm and progress. Even transportation seems measured, gliding across bridges and through streets in a rhythm that mirrors the water. In the Greater Pearl River Delta, Foshan plays a subtle but vital role. While Guangzhou and Shenzhen dominate headlines, Foshan sustains culture, tradition, and industry. It is a model for blending heritage with growth, a reminder to the world that cities can thrive quietly, while leaving a lasting imprint on history, art, and community. Foshan's future is envisioned with care. Urban development aims for green spaces, pedestrian-friendly streets, and preservation of historic sites. Technology integrates with culture rather than replacing it. The city grows in strength and economy, yet maintains its soft heartbeat, ensuring that art, tradition, and human stories remain at its core. Have you wandered the ancient streets of Foshan? Have you paused by a canal, listened to the hum of life, or admired the artistry of its craftsmen? Share your experiences, impressions, and thoughts in the comments below. Let us continue this journey together, exploring the heartbeat of Foshan and uncovering the beauty of its past, present, and future.